Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Have you ever felt like you missed your chance to learn something new? Maybe you always wanted to play an instrument, learn a new language, or even start a whole new career, but you think you're too old? Well, what if I told you that starting later in life isn't a disadvantage, but actually a superpower? Today, we're diving into a fascinating concept and a beautiful word, Opsimath. What is an Opsimath? So, what exactly is an Opsimath? Simply put, an Opsimath is a person who begins to learn or study late in life. The word itself comes from Greek, opsi meaning late and manthenein meaning to learn. It's not just about picking up a hobby. It's about embarking on significant intellectual or skill-based pursuits well past the traditional age for formal education or initial career paths. It's about a deliberate, often profound, commitment to learning that defies conventional timelines. Why do people become Opsimaths? Now, why would someone choose to become an Opsimath? There are so many reasons. For some, it's a long-held dream finally realized after career or family obligations have lessened. Perhaps they always wanted to be an artist but had to take a different path. For others, it's a complete career pivot where they decide to pursue a passion they never thought possible. Sometimes it's a response to a life change, a newfound curiosity, or simply the desire for personal growth. The motivation is often deeply personal and driven by a genuine internal desire rather than external pressures. It's a journey of self-discovery, often sparked by a shift in priorities or a moment of inspiration. The unique advantages of being an Opsimath. You might think starting late puts you at a disadvantage. But I actually believe Opsimaths have some incredible superpowers. First, life experience and wisdom. You bring a wealth of real-world knowledge to your learning. This isn't just theoretical for you. You can connect new information to experiences, failures, and successes you've already encountered. Second, self-motivation and discipline. Often, Opsimaths are incredibly driven because they choose this path. They're not doing it because they have to, but because they genuinely want to, which fuels a remarkable tenacity. Third, a clearer sense of purpose. You know why you're learning this. It's often tied to a deeper personal goal, making the learning process more meaningful and effective. And finally, there's often less pressure and more enjoyment. The stakes can feel different when you're not trying to get into the most competitive university right out of high school. It becomes about the joy of learning itself, free from some of the anxieties of youth. Famous Opsimaths. You'd be surprised how many incredible individuals started significant journeys later in life. Think of someone like Colonel Sanders, who really kicked off KFC in his 60s, turning his secret recipe into a global empire. Or Anna Mary Robertson Moses, better known as Grandma Moses, who began her prolific painting career in her late 70s and became a celebrated folk artist. Julia Child, a culinary icon, didn't publish her first cookbook until she was nearly 50. These are just a few examples that show age is truly just a number when it comes to passion and pursuit, and that some of the greatest achievements come from those who dared to start anew. How you can embrace your inner Opsimath. So, if you're feeling inspired and thinking about starting something new, here are a few tips to embrace your inner Opsimath. Start small. You don't need to enroll in a full-time degree program right away. Try an online course, a local workshop, or even just a book on the topic that sparks your interest. Find your community. Connect with others who are also learning. This could be online forums, local groups, or even just a study partner. Celebrating every small win. Learning is a journey, and every step forward, no matter how small, deserves recognition. Let go of comparison. Everyone's journey is different. Focus on your own progress and enjoyment, not on how fast or far others are learning. And finally, challenge age stereotypes. Remind yourself that your brain is still capable of incredible growth and adaptation at any age. The belief that learning is only for the young is simply not true. Being an Opsimath isn't just about learning something new. It's about embracing lifelong curiosity, challenging your own limitations, and proving that the desire to grow knows no age. It's a powerful reminder that it's never too late to pursue a dream, develop a new skill, or simply expand your mind. What's something you've always wanted to learn, no matter your age? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your Opsimath stories. If you found this video inspiring, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content on personal growth and interesting concepts. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.